Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. So today I bring for you beautiful videos, photos. So really you will like this video. If you like this video, so don't comment me down and don't forget to press the bell icon so that my notification get you first. So let's start the video without wasting any time. I will really like it. So you can see this first picture, you can see beautiful red lights and the small plants and all, and the cloud type, it is there beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, small lights, beautiful lights and all, good looking, beautiful decoration. It's also very beautiful. You can see the gaming room, beautiful gaming room. I really like this gaming room. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down. It's also very beautiful. You can see the lights, the purple color lights and all, the LED lights, beautiful lights, and this one also very beautiful. You can see the bed and the up. You can see this good lights, beautiful lights. It is very good lights, good design. The decoration is very normal, and it's also very beautiful. You can see the mirror and the table. You can see on the table. You can see the pen, pencil, and all good. This is VIP bedroom. You can see the black color wall and the bed. You can see, and down you can see the red color lights and all, and the floor also very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the red color lights and the guitars. You can see beautiful, and the cupboard, you can keep anything expensive thing you can keep. It's also very beautiful. You can see the cloud, and down you can see this one is coming out, beautiful decoration. It's also very beautiful. You can see the red color lights and all, and the wall, you can see beautiful wall, and the photo set is there. It's also very beautiful. The rabbit LED light, beautiful lights and all, good decoration. It's also very beautiful. You can see the the wall decoration and painting, very beautiful painting and all, good painting. This also where you can see the bed, the black color bed, and the floor, wooden theme, and the LED lights and all, good decoration and design. It's also very beautiful. You can see the LED lights and all, and the floor, you can see beautiful floor and the good design decoration. This is also very beautiful. You can see the lamp outside, lights are coming in the floor. You can see beautiful and good decoration. You can see the roof. You can see beautiful clouds and all, good decoration and the idea. It's also the wall, corner red lights. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. So if you like this video, so you will get the notification first. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.